Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome to another one of my cooking videos where I take a recipe from my food blog, Rican Vegan, and show you how to make it. In this video, I'm going to be making a non-dairy cinnamon vanilla milkshake. I love a good thick milkshake, so I created this one using non-dairy milk and ice cream that is just as sweet and creamy as a regular milkshake. In a blender, add unsweetened vanilla flavored plant-based milk, some dates, a banana, vanilla, cinnamon, some vanilla almond milk ice cream or any other non-dairy ice cream. Add more ice cream for a thicker milkshake. Blend all of the ingredients until the milkshake is smooth and creamy. Pour in a glass and sprinkle some cinnamon on top to garnish. I hope you enjoyed this milkshake recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button. Also remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one, or to catch my new series Binging, where I try vegan food products and let you know if they're worth binging on or not. If you're not following me on social media, go ahead and follow me right now on Facebook and Instagram at Rican Vegan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.